Hello, boys and girls. Welcome back with the third Sudoku. Third Sudoku in this additional of today's newspaper of Thursday. Thursday, January the 21st, 2020. No, 2021. We are already in 21. Yes. Alright, the third Sudoku is a binary Sudoku, and this will be number 2201. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's an 8x8 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column, there are always 4 ones and 4 O's. Alright, so let's get started. Double O, here one, there one. Now we have 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Now we have 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Now we have 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Between 2 ones comes an O. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Double one, here no, there no. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Between 2 ones comes an O. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Now we have 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Oh, we have 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Alright. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Now it's time to compare. No. Look, between a 1 and an O with 2 empty boxes, there's always for those 2 boxes an O and a 1 reserved. So we have 1 O, second O, the third O, and the fourth O. And the rest are ones. Alright. Now we have 4 ones, so the rest are O's. We have 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Double one, here no, there no. Between 2 O's comes an 1. We have now 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Between 2 O's comes an 1. We have now 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Double O, here one, there one. We have here 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Finish in 3 minutes. Alright, without comparing. I like this, by the way. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And I will see you in a few seconds with the last Sudoku. Tectonic. 4 stars. Suguru in Japanese. See you later. Bye bye for now.